Hello my dear little stars. Hope you all are very good, studying very well, not among your parents, right? Studying well. Here we will study subject maths, a very new thing, very interesting. You can see here that spelling TABLES is what? Tables. In maths, we will learn tables. For that, you have to open your table book. Okay. Now, page number. First, you see that page number 4. Table we will just read and write. Here this side is written the reading method and this side is written the writing method. First we start with the table of 0. That one is not very tough. That is very easy. Okay. And when we just multiple that 0, answer will be 0. 0 means nothing. So 0 we will count. 1 time is 0. 2 times is 0, 3 times 0, 4 times 0, 5 times 0, 6 times 0, 7 times 0, 8 times 0, 9 times 0, 10 times 0. Many times if you count 0, 0 means nothing here. So, zeros are, the 0 is nothing. Means no anything is there, no digit is there. 0 is single. Okay. So, 0, 1 is 0, 0, 2s are 0, 0, 3s are 0, 0, 4s are 0, 0, 5s are 0, 0, 6s are 0, 0, 7s are 0, 0, 8s are 0, 0, 9s are 0 and 0, 10s are 0. Here the fill-ups of the 0 is given, that 0 into 3 0, 0 into 6 0, 0 into 9 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 5 0. So every that fill ups, what you see, the answer 0. Okay, do it very easy. So here 0 number is nothing. Okay. Now next is page number that 5 open. The table of 1 also that same way. When we just write and count tables, so how many times you people will learn 1 to 10 times only. One table, suppose 0 of the table of 0, how many times you will just multiple? 1 to 10. Similarly, table of 1, 1 to 10 times. Okay. Okay. So, table of 1, 1 into 1. What will be the answer? 1 is 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. Okay. So it means one counting started from 1 till 10, that we just started adding 1 1 1 1 1 and the answer multiplication of 1 is that the times 1 time 1 2 2 times 2, 1 3 times 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. Alright. So these 10 colors I am having. So in one table very easy. When you say 1 1 is 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 10s are 10. So how many fingers we are having? 10 fingers. Count it. So table of 1, 10 times that 10. 1 time 1, 2 time 2, 3 time 3, 4 time 4, 5 time 5, 6 time 6, 7 time 7, 8 time 8, 9 time 9, 10 time 10. So very easy when you write table of 10. 1 is 1, 1, 2s are 2, 1, 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, and 1 tens are 10. So very easy. Table of 1 time 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7. Similarly 1 to 10, the time you count, that answer will be that one. Okay. Now here you can see the fill-ups of 1. You very easy that 1 2 times 2, 1 9 times 9, 1 3 times 3, 1 7 times 7, 1 8 times 8, 1 4 times 4. Okay. Now coming to that next page number 6. That means we start from table of 2. It will be little difficult. When you mug up, you learn properly. That will be easy for you. Alright. Now table of 2. We will just first see that how to just we can learn. Here reading method. 2 ones is 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So this is the way we can just read. Now how will you understand what are all these? What ma'am is telling now? I will teach you. Now take 2 one time. 2 ones is what? 2. 2 ones is what? 2. 2 1 is what? 2. How will you write in your notebook? In your blocks. 1 digit, 1 block. Now 2 twos. 1 minute. This way you will do 1 ones are. Now coming to table of 2, 2 1 is what? 2. 2 twos are. What will be the answer? I will teach you. 2 times. 2 times, then add 1, 2, 3, 4. So this way you just multiply 2 times, the answer will be 4. Why? We have taken 2 times and added. Then answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add, that answer will be what? 4. You know the adding? I have taught you. So this is what? 4. 2 twos are 4. Now 2 threes are 1 times 2, 2 times 2 and 3 times 2. Then what will be the answer? Added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we have taken 2 3 times and added, so what will be the answer? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will write here in this block 6. 2 taken 3 times. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Properly in neat writing you will do in your notebook. Now 2 fours are 2 4 time. 2 1 time, 2 2 time, 2 3 time, 2 4 time. Now add it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What will be the answer? The answer will be 8. 2 fours are 8. When we have taken 2 4 times means 2 2 2 2 4 times. How many times we have taken? 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So and that when we add 2 4 times, what will be the answer? 8. When you multiply 2 4 times, that also answer will be 8. Okay. So that how will you write? 2 4s are 8. And when you add, then 2 you will write 4 times. And answer will be 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay. This way you can learn table of 2. Now 2 5s are. 2 5s are what? 10 times take 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3 times, 2 4 times and 2 5 times. Now count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means what? 2 5s are 10. Like that. 1, 2. 1 times 2, 1, 2. 2 times 2, 1, 2. 3 times 2, 1, 2. 4 times 2, 1, 2. 5 times 2. So 2 5s are 10. Alright? 2 5s are 10. Now, coming to 2 6s are. 2 6 are. Write in blocks only. 2 6 are. So, 2 5s are 10. Add 2 number more. 10, 11, 12. So, what will be the answer? 2 6 are 12. Now, 2 7s are. Add 2 here. 12, 13, 14. That what will be the answer? 2 7s are 14. Now, 2 6s are. Sorry, 2 8s are 14 plus 2, 15, 16. 2 8s are 16. This way easily you can write and learn also. Now 2 9s are. Two 9s are 16. 1 plus 1. 17, 18. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are. Very easy. 2 10s are. After 18, 2 does it take? 19, 20. 2 10s are 20. Alright? So this way your table of 2 done. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. So this way your table of 2 is done. So how will you write? You can see in your book also. I have taught you there on this board. You can see easily in your book also. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. Alright, you can just repeat with me also in that singing way. This is that way you can learn easily. 2 1 is 2, say. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 tens are 20. Alright. Now we will do the exercises here. Page number 6 open and just see that fill-ups of 2. Here. We will fill the answer in this block. Okay. Now, tell me. 2 6 are what? Done and tell me the answer. 12. Now, how many times we will write here? 2 and that 2 will go with the, how many times then answer will 8? 2 will go 4 times. Then answer will be 8. 2 4s are 8. Now, what we will go 5 times, the answer will be 10. 2. 2 will go 5 times, the answer will be 10. 2 5s are 10. Now, do the exercise of this side fill-ups. Next side fill-ups, you see 2 into what? That answer will be 14. 2 7s are. Now, how many times we will write? And that answer will come 6. What with digit we write 3 times, answer will be 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now 2 9s are what? 2 9s are 18. So this way you can fill the answers in the blocks. Alright. So page number 6 done. Now page number 7 open. We will learn table of 3. After 2, table of 3. Then how will you write? And count. I will tell you the method. That way you can just learn properly and can write also. Okay? One digit in one block you will write in your notebook also. Okay? Just see. How will we just go through and the table multiplication of 3, how we will learn? 1 2 3. How many colors? 3 colors. One time you take 3. 1 is 3. Just write here 3. 1 is what? 3. And we have taken 3 2 times. 3. 3, 1 2 3 one time, 1 2 3 2 times. Add it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. What will be the answer? 6. 3 2 times. 3 2s are 6. Now 3 3s are 1 2 3. One time. 1 2 3. 2 times. And 1 2 3. 3 times. Now count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many colors I am having? 9 colors. When we take 3 times, what will be the answer? 9. Now you can do this method also. 3 3 3. Add now. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. When we 3 multiple 3 times, then addition will come what? 9, and the answer will be 9. Okay. Now 3 4s are. 3 4s are. Now 3 4s are, what will be the answer? 9 is there at 3 digits. 9, 10, 11, 12. What will be the answer? 3 4s are 12. Alright. Now 3 5s are 12. Add 1, 2, 3 more. 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 3 6 are 3. How many times? 6 times. 3 6 are, what will be the answer? 15. 3 more. 15, 3 more line. 1 2 3 16 17 18. So 3 8 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are, add 3 more. 1 2 3 18 19 20 21. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 8s are, add 3 more. 21 22 23 24. So 3 8s are 24. Now 3 9s are, add 3 more. 1 2 3 24 25 26 27. What will be the answer? 27. And now 3 10s are, 1 2 3 27 28 29 30. 3 10s are 30. Alright. So this way you can just write, count 3 times what? The next digit. Suppose you are having 3 1s are 3. What, when you are writing and to know that what will be the answer? 3 2s are. So after 3 digit you take 3 4 5 6. 3 lines taken, that will become 6. Similarly 3 3s are 6. 3 more, 7 8 9. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 4s are, take 3 more. What? 9 10 11 12. 3 4s are 12. Now 3 5s are, after 12 3 12 13 14 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 6 are, after 15 3 digit more. 17 15 16 17 18. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are, 3 digit more. 3 7s are, after 18 19 20 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are, 3 more. 21 22 23 24. 3 8s are 24. Now 3 9s are, after 24 3 more. 24 25 26 27. So 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are, after 27 28 29 30. 3 10s are 30. This way also easily you can learn and write table of 13. Just read with me loudly. 3 1 is 3. 3 3s are 2. 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 16. 3 7s are 18. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Alright. So this way 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Now do the exercise of the multiplication. that 3 into 4. What will be the answer? 3 4s are 12. Now 3 7s are 3 7s are 21. 3 6 are 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27. 9 number पे you just saw the answer and got the answer. Okay, this way you can do the multiplication and digit 3 many times you multiple, that answer will come. That to know these answer we have to learn the tables, we have to mug up all. Learn it many times, you repeat, then immediate answer will come. When somebody says 3 3s are, you say 9. 3 5s are, you say 15. Somebody says that 2 5s are, you say 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. This way you can just immediate know the answer. You can write also, and that mathematics will be easy for you. Okay. So thank you class. Study well and repeat tables many times. Okay. And do the work very neatly, nicely in your notebook of CW. Okay.